Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rizwan and you are watching Habico Properties YouTube channel. Today we are present over here at the Mac Hills 2. One of the largest communities in Dubai is the Mac Hills 2 with a size of 45 million square feet. We are standing right now at the entrance of this community, which is going towards the Al Qudra Street. So this community is offering a lot of the facilities, features, residential and investment projects which we will be getting, and I will show you in this video. So this community is offering us townhouses, villas, apartments with a lot of the features and amenities. So let's get inside and without wasting any time, explore all of the options. So guys, this is the Mac Hills 2 community. The size of this community is 45 million square feet and it is having a lot of the amenities, bundles of the amenities, tons of the amenities you are getting in this community. It's already fully functional, 57 plus amenities you are getting within this community. 30,000 families are already living over here in the other clusters of this community which is located. So right now I'm standing here in the park, which is the Central Park. It's right next to the water town or beside towards the boating lake. On the right side you are watching, it's the cricket ground, it's the squash court, basketball court and a beautiful lake which is going all the way surrounded by this community. And on to the left side over here there will be a sports town. You will get all of the amenities like outdoor gym and jogging tracks, squash court, basketball courts, boating lake over here left to me. So this community is offering you a lot of the amenities. If you are living over here or if you are an investor over here, a lot of the people from the Asian countries, they like to live over here because this kind of living style they are getting the same as in their hometown house, but it's very expensive to live in their hometown. The Mac Hills 2 is the community which is offering you a vibrant living with the most natural and the amazing greenish environment within the community. 30,000 plus families are already living here. A lot of the people says that this community is very far from the city area or from the downtown. Actually, my question to that people is that this community is far away from where? This community is actually exactly 10 minutes more drive from the Mac Hills 1 as compared to the Mac Hills 2 from the downtown. Maximum it's taking 30 to 35 minutes while you are coming from the downtown Business Bay or center of the city. Three major highways is connecting to this community. The one is Al Ain Road, the second one is Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and the third one is Al Qudra Street. So the communication of this community is very easy, and in the future this will be the most biggest and most trending community from all over Dubai with the best and the reasonable prices. This community is also offering you a mobile gas station where 24/7 you can take the service of the gas station inside the community. If we talk about the restaurant and the dinings, food trucks, when we say food trucks, this is something which is giving you a sign of modern and the luxurious kind of communities. So the food trucks service is also available inside the community where you will be able to get your foods 24/7 within the community. You don't have to go out to get your food services or the fast food kind of things. Food trucks are available and it's not only on the one specific point, it's at the different locations within the community. So right now I am present here in the community center of the Mac Hills 2. The building what you see behind me, this is the community center located inside of the Mac Hills 2 and it's 100% fully functional. All of the brands, major brands like Saudi German Clinics, Carrefour, Pizza Hut and KFC, all of these brands are already functioning over here inside the community center. So for all of your daily needs, for your groceries, you don't have to go out of the community in the order to make some purchase. These are the major needs of the everyone if somebody is living in a specific or a particular community. My purpose to show you all of these things are that this is physically 100% exist and it's inside the communities. Instead of this, a lot of people in comments they will say that the community is way too far and there is a lot of the traffic junks, these kind of things, but the real investor is the one who will come with me and to have a chance to see the property by himself, by the in person. So I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp number on the screen. If you are located in Dubai or in the UAE, I would like to meet you in person, and I would like to show you this beautiful and amazing fully functional community. I have a lot of the options for the investment, the apartments and the townhouses, villas as well. The apartments starting only from 500,000 dirhams. Only from 500,000 dirhams you can have your own one bedroom apartment. Two bedrooms starting from 750,000 dirhams, which is very reasonable price, and you won't be able to find within Dubai in any other community. So if you are locally based, just drop me a WhatsApp. I would like to meet you in person. Or if you are internationally based, just drop me a WhatsApp or give me a call. I would be very happy to answer all of your questions. And till that time, I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.